Well, I have to say this is a beautiful campsite. I mean, it really, really is pretty. But we do have just one small issue, and that's that the toilet block is like way down there. So it is on the Elson Point, and the toilets are really, really basic. I mean, it's getting a bit nippy now here in October in Dumfries and Galloway. But yeah, if you're fit and young, you'll really like this place. And I think you can walk through down there. I think there's a gate, and you can walk through and visit with these lovely little animals. But I'm just going to go over and say hello. They always like the grass at the other side of the fence, don't they? You are pretty. Look at those horns. Wow. So yes, this is really, honestly, it's a beautiful spot. We're just a little concerned with the facilities because we've been so spoiled. I mean, we've stayed at some places that have guys that have just been absolutely fantastic. Really, really beautiful hills. And of course, we got the sunshine today, so that's great. And there's our pitch. See you later.
We're just on our way to Hawick. Little township that's about 18 miles from our campsite. Where our campsite is in the middle of nowhere, so most places are going to be 18 miles from our campsite. Which is a big change from the last one, Glasgow.
Welcome to Hawick, the oldest of the border towns, and they are proud of it. This place has seen Romans, raiders, and a few rowdy reivers over the centuries. Back in 1514, after the Battle of Flodden, when most of the men were gone, the local lads decided they'd had enough of English incursions. They marched to Hornshole, just outside of town, and against all odds beat a much larger English force. That victory still defines Hawick's spirit today, and you'll find it celebrated in the statue at the town center. A proud young horseman, flag raised high, forever reminding everyone that Hawick doesn't back down easily. So, i.e., a wee town with a big heart. Guys, good morning, good morning.
From a very cold but lovely and sunny Langholm.
Yep.
Yeah.
October day.
Yeah.
Or is it Langholm?
Langholm, I think.
Yeah, Langholm.
And we're right outside the Gilnockie Tower, the ancestral home of the Armstrong Clan.
So once again, you know, we've talked about it before. My great-grandmother was an Armstrong, and of course, her father and all that good stuff.
And not just any Armstrong, but this Armstrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, this particular Armstrong clan.
So, yeah, we're going to go check out the Gilnockie Tower, and we came at a perfect time because it closes at the end of October. So,
yeah.
So that's wonderful. It's beautiful here.
Yeah.
And we're in Dumfries and Galloway.
Yep.
Or the borders.
No, we're in the Dumfries and Galloway.
Yeah, so it's really lovely. So,
road.
yeah, we'll go have a look and
we will.
Take you with us.
Yeah.
So, see you in a minute.
See you in a bit. Here we are in Gilnockie Tower, looked after by the Armstrong Clan, or the Clan Armstrong. Beautiful day here for the end of October. They're already locked down there. It is now cared for by the Clan Armstrong Centre. Oh, I'll take a photo of this, I suppose. Is that your motto, Invictus Mania?
Yeah, I've got it on me.
Ah, hang on, let me take a picture of this.
Yeah, take a picture. I'm going to put it on video, but the pictures are always better.
Oh, it's nice in here. Oh, hello there. Well, I'm very well. Hang on, just wait for my wife to come in.
Gilnockie Tower was the home of the mighty Armstrong Clan. Built in the 1500s, it's one of the last surviving border reiver towers. The Armstrongs were, let's say, enthusiastic entrepreneurs, experts in borrowing cattle from their neighbors and forgetting to return them. Think of it as medieval recycling with swords.
There's a nice little bedroom.
Boy, this is a nice little bedroom. Wow.
So downstairs was kind of the lounge room, and this is the bedroom.
Oh, I would highly recommend, if anybody's in this area, whether you're an Armstrong or not, this is such a fascinating place.
It is. Looks like a little dressing room, or... Oh, I think we know what this is.
Toilet.
I think so. Look in there.
They have this well lit, don't they?
Yeah.
They put a fake spider on there. Inside, we found the Neil Armstrong room. Yes, the man on the moon. He visited here in 1972 and said he felt prouder standing on this Scottish soil than he did walking on lunar dust. That's quite the review for this place. And for anyone into conspiracy theories, that's quite a statement, wink wink. The room is filled with Armstrong treasures, tartans, swords, and letters linking the moonwalker to his border raiding ancestors. From space travel to sheep stealing, they've truly done it all. The Armstrongs are part of the Border Reivers, tough families who ruled the no-man's land between Scotland and England from the 13th to the 17th centuries. They lived by the sword, not by the crown, raiding across the border for cattle, revenge, and a good story. Loyalty was to family, not to king. King James VI eventually cracked down, hanging many and burning their towers, but somehow Gilnockie survived. Today it's beautifully restored, part museum, part family monument, and a reminder that the Armstrong spirit still reaches for the stars, and sometimes their livestock. Here at Gilnockie Tower, the Armstrong Clan has its very own tartan, the lunar tartan. Inspired by the moon, it's a modern twist for a clan that once ruled the borders. Who knew outlaws could be so stylish and cosmic? So, we've come out here. Now that is not a drop. That's just covering the old walkway that was up here. So if it were a clear drop, I probably wouldn't be able to walk on this. But as long as I have a hand railing, I'm usually okay. I might get a little vertigo. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Wow. Chris is staying by the door for the time being anyway. And you can hear the water. The water is right down beyond those trees. Yeah, this is a very high rail, very secure, so not too bad. You can smell the chimney as well. Chimney smells lovely, the fire going. And even though we're disabled, the stairs were, take them one at a time. It's not busy here at the moment, so just take your time and go up and down the stairs. I'm gonna have to put you away though, so I can go down the stairs now. So that's Gilnockie Tower, historic, cheeky, and well worth a visit. Just check the opening times before you ride out like a true reiver. Thanks so much for watching, lovely people. Don't forget to hit subscribe and come along with us for more van life adventures and hidden gems. See you on the next one.